Flag Facts by Fran Hodgkins. Just like our country, the American flag has gone through lots of changes in its history. It wasn't always the familiar arrangement of stars and stripes that we know so well. In fact, some early American flags didn't have stars and stripes at all. Even before the American Revolution, Americans flew many different flags. Colonies and even regions had their own flags. New England's flag, which first appeared around 1685, was mostly red. Its canton, or upper left corner, bore a red cross on a white field, with a pine tree in the top left corner. The Gadsden flag, which was flown about 1775, was yellow and bore a coiled rattlesnake. Beneath the snake were the words, "Don't tread on me," a warning to enemy nations. On June 14, 1777, the new United States adopted its official flag. This new flag had red and white stripes, 13 in all, 6 white and 7 red. In the canton was a blue field with white stars, to represent a new constellation, said the Continental Congress. When 2 new states joined the Union, 2 stripes and 2 stars were added to the flag. But when Americans realized that adding stripes was going to lead to an oddly shaped flag, Congress decided that only stars would be added and went back to the flag's original 13 stripes. Although a star was added with each new state, there weren't any rules governing how the stars should be arranged. Flag makers put them into circles, rows, columns, pentagons, large stars, and even flowers. One Civil War era flag arranged the stars in star-shaped groups of 5, with 4 extra stars at the compass points of the canton. As you can imagine, it got confusing. So the United States government decided to standardize the flag's appearance. In 1942, it passed the Flag Code, which set down the rules for making the flag. Everything from the arrangement of the stars to the width of the stripes. The Flag Code also established etiquette for handling and displaying the flag. It tells how to carry the flag, where to place the flag when other flags are being flown at the same time, and when the flag should be flown. The Flag Code even tells how to fold the flag. Here's how. 2 people hold the flag out flat. The first person holds the end with the blue field, and the second holds the other end. They fold the flag in half lengthwise and then in half again. As the first person holds the flag by the blue field, the second begins folding the flag in triangles. They keep folding until the flag is completely folded and only the star-spangled blue fields show.